Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy movement today, but really at the end of the day, the best way to summarize was basically just a pump and dump, meaning the price made an awesome move to start the day, hence the pump. And then the dump showed up, and the key part of a pump and dump is usually this all occurs in a very fast amount of time. And considering this all happened in the exact same day, hopefully we can agree that this was a very short amount of time. But the price made the great move up, and then you can see hit a high right there. And then from that point went all the way down there and closed right there, where if you match it up to where it was, the price is essentially gone right back to where it was. So huge move up, and then the price all the way back down. Now the interesting part, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but those people that have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that have this pump and dump type price action, and then the price consolidates out near supports, and then there can be some very nice bounce back type movements. Of course, not a guarantee to happen, but that's what we have here is the price at least is starting to now stabilize out or attempt to stabilize out next to some former areas of support down here at 50 cents. So if 50 cents can provide a level of support, I'm not saying it's necessarily going to bounce all the way back up to 75 cents, but worth at least keeping an eye on from a situation where you know that a lot of people are probably, panicking. But if the price can start to, work its way back upwards, then that can just bring in some organic momentum. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, 50 cents, definitely an important level, not only from that, point of view in terms of creating some sort of movement upwards, but if the price were to drop down below 50, then quite literally at that point, the price has officially gone literally right back to where it started, which would be the nail in the coffin of the pump and dump. So 50 cents important for a couple different reasonings there. As far as levels of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 60 cents. So definitely a very rough way to start off the week, but let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.